So if you look right here, it says open account to get free $50, and in this very video I've been walking you step-by-step guides on everything you really need to know about this $50 no deposit bonus you are seeing right here. Now I want you to stick with me to the very end of this video, as I'll be walking you on everything about this bonus and how you can go about in claiming your bonus, the terms and conditions, and everything you really need to know about this bonus. Now before we get into the main video of today, I created a video yesterday on a particular pro firm that's offering a $5,000 a foundation account. You get, and so many of you guys have not watched this very video. Now I advise you to go watch this video. So as you can see on my screen, this guy just claimed his $5,000 account for totally free. For you to claim yours, come watch this video, get the website link. After getting the website link, join their Discord group. On their Discord group there, you'll be able to do what? To claim your $5,000 account. Make sure you have an account with them, guys. You get, so the link of this very bonus is at our Telegram channel, so check it from down below. Join our Telegram channel. Now one more thing, guys, so I'll advise you to click on the first link on additional down below. Make sure you subscribe to this very channel, guys. So we just created a new channel, you get brand new channel, you get, so, and in this very channel here we are uploading videos about forex. You get just forex educational content. You just have to subscribe to this very channel, guys. You get, just subscribe to this very channel. So we are approaching that 1K. You get, to just join the family by subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. Now let's get into the main video of today on how you can go about in claiming your $50 no deposit bonus. So right here on the website, user friendly, you get everything very nice. So let's go back so I can walk you on everything you really need to know about this very bonus. Now the name of this broker is Waxa. You get, Waxa accept new traders to test their live market condition with a no deposit bonus of $50. The bonus is credited instantly to the eligible applicant after completing the registration procedures. Join the CFD trading platform and enjoy the benefits of leading social trading platform. You get, so sign up for an account and receive $50 for a free trading experience. So you can see it here for yourself. You can see everything here. You can see everything here for yourself. So you just have to sign up to get your bonus. Now for you to get the exact link of this very bonus, I'll be dropping the link on our Telegram channel. Check it somewhere down below. Join the channel so you can get the link of this very bonus. And this bonus is available for only new traders, as you can see for yourself. And the bonus is ending 31st of December 2023. So you need to make sure you are watching this video at the right time. Now register an account, you get, verify the trader's identity and address, get the welcome bonus, which is $50. So right here you can see they are working with a leverage of 1:100. You get, and they are working with a platform of MT5. You get, and the bonus type here, no deposit, which means you don't have to deposit. Account type, they are working with what? They are working with a live account. So if you scroll down here, you can see their email. You get, so they have their email here. If you have any question or you want to make any inquiries, you can contact them via email. And also their withdrawal method, because you need to withdraw your profits. You get, so their withdrawal method is Cree, Netella, wire transfer, web money, perfect money, Visa card, MasterCard, FaceApp, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, blah blah blah. So all you have to do, once you click on the link, it will take you to the exact website of the bonus. Okay, once you get to the exact website of the bonus, you just have to create an account real quick. You just have to click on where it says open account to get free $50. But before we click on that, I'll advise you to go through the website so you can see everything. So if you come here now, you can see where it says zero commission. You get zero commission, blah blah blah. You can also chat with their robot regarding any question at all. You get, so if you look here, they have this menu here where you can reach out to them through their customer care. So for clients in Malaysia and Indonesia, you automatically receive an Islamic account after a successful sign up. You get the concept. So you just have to do what? To check out the website. You can see that verification is very fast. You get registered to get a free account containing a real account credit. You get, and a demo account. So you can create a demo account and start, but for those of you who are interested in the no deposit bonus, you just have to create your account, verify your account, and you'll be getting your $50 no deposit bonus. And here is the verification process, which is very fast. You get, very fast. So here it says what? It says open an account again to get what? Your $50. So you just have to hit on it, and once you hit on it, it will take you here where you just have to click on sign up. As soon as you click on sign up, you just have to put your info. After putting your info, you get submit your ID to get your bonus. You get the concept. Now I want you to follow the exact process. You get sign up, get your bonus. Thank you very much. You made it up to this very video. I just wanted to follow the exact step. It's pretty cool. Just sign up, you get verify account, get your bonus. As simple as that. You don't have to complicate things. So thank you very much. You made it up to the very video. I do really appreciate you guys. Peace and see you in our next video. Love you.